The first cup I give him, I throw it out in him cup. He goes and taste it. My God! Mr. Till say it never give remember God. See me now? This tastes like shit. Mr. Till say it make you speak the truth.
Today, we have a very interesting video. We have 3 of the best storytellers in Jamaica in this video. The man we started all, soup bone. Then we have the Rasta we eat chicken bone, peanut dread. And then we have the man of the moment, Bada Cat. So yo, you can't just like the video for now, cause trust me. Matter of fact, get your tissue or your bounty so you can wipe the tears from your eye where you come from the laughter where you're gonna laugh. Yeah.
I'm gonna say, man, I make money for the ship, you know, a cigarette for $200, a beer $600, food $7,000. So I'm say, I make money over this people here. So I tell man I pass a banana now, so I'm gonna take off a banana and eat it. And dash it there. So I want shit now, so I drink some water, I still want shit, some water. I take a bag and put it and shit in the bag, when I say water shit, I'm gonna tie up the bag and shake it. I'm gonna say, why man I pass it? I'm gonna say, oh, where you going there? Right away, I'm gonna say, hot salad. Him say, what? I'm gonna say, hot salad. Make you speak the truth, it make you remember God and give long remembrance. Man say, but I will have 3 cups. I say, 3 cups? Oh, you want with a 3 cup? 1 cup will do. Him say, no man, it's your ingredients. I want 3 cups. Him say, I want 3 cups. I say, $80,000. Him say, for 3? I say, yeah. I say, give me money, man. The first cup I give him, I throw it out in him cup. He goes and taste it. My God! I say it never give remember God. See me now? This tastes like shit. Mr. Till say it make you speak the truth. See me? As long as I live, I will never drink another cup like this. I'm not till I say it give long remembrance.
Where's the drinks, Dave? Hot chalala.
Hot salad.
Yo, that's why you can't too greedy, you know. That's how people catch you with food, you know. You don't even know why in a hit. I love support people, you know, but Jano, when they come on to food, I can't to eat food from a roadside. I swear. No, sir. Next thing me, I get hot chalala. You remember the lady at home where they are shit in her stall and then catch her, I sell soup, a hot chalala that. Now, on to Mr. Peanut Dread.
Let me have a son and him come do it and me tell him stop it and never put him out to me. Say, if I no poison him blood clot, me say I fix a sudden in a film, me say. And run up and down with him like me no know when me and poison. Tell him dead, you fucker, yo. God laugh, your blood clot, yo. You come to me and fuck back to your blood clot. You want to kill him. You nasty rat clot, you know. Wicked. Well, I don't know why they inject them and do them so, you know. And the system do it, you know.
They trip them away, but they set themselves away from their young.
Well, the system inject them and sit down and lab and mix up pipe and inject in the picnic them and turn them how we want them. Turn them not yearly and all quality manner of people with all bike muffler, walk around and get this blood clot community. Fear problem. The head of the stream is dirty, not for us clot the government and do nothing about it.
Wait a minute. Peanut just say if you have a son with a fish, a poison it. Jesus, pity buzz. But Peanut just a big old rasta. What kind of meat that, what kind of bone that me see my dash right? That's not fish, that's chicken. Fire for the bubble. Now, next up, we have Bada Cat. Bada Cat. Yeah, no.
Me go club and go buy you all. Here what me do. Is that broke me buy you know? Me no business with go if him no come.
No!
If him want come, him give me back some of the money or pay if him come. Yeah.
You know how much money it costs with more
Me
time?
no go there to make him come. Me go to get a come. No man, somehow no go to kill self go to come too. Me no depend that kiss up go all them stuff.
Romance.
Me no come there for that brother.
Romance
Come
go.
me buy, yeah.
The more I ask you now, when I get 100 or 200,000 a month or 300,000 to get a shipwork, when I be the captain. When I take that right there. And I get 300,000 or probably $1 million to take the captain work. On
Be a ship?
Yeah, if work on a ship, to be the captain.
Why wouldn't I take it? If I have the experience I know how to sail, of course I would take it. Why wouldn't I not take it?
Yeah, take it.
Because here why me not take it now? You see the rule of them have say captain have to leave last? That's out of my vocabulary. So
No, he can't out. He can't out.
Them have to go kill me.
He can't out, but
No man, no, listen to me. As a politician make a lot of commitment to people and they don't honor these commitments. They do it because they want the vote and want the position. So why can't I do the same thing? I can promise you that yes, I will be out to ship the last one to get the captain work. But believe me, when this player sink on me, first gone.
Last Rasta bad too, you know. Boss said when the ship a sink, I'm first gone. But back to the man of the moment, Bada Cat. Bada Cat say, yo, when him go to a strip club and go buy a cat. Bada Cat, I buy a cat. Then a long thing. Him come fi come, and him a come, and if you not come, well, him gone. Cause him not care about you coming. Bada Cat funny, you know, man. In my opinion, the entry man are great. It's not a competition. It's not a comparison. You just share it so everybody can have a good goddamn laugh. Yeah, man, and if you like the video, just like it for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And share it. Yeah, man. And go watch one next long video. And share it again. And watch one next one and share it again. I'm out.